Here's how to add music to your project in DaVinci Resolve 20. A quick disclaimer before we get started: if you're using DaVinci Resolve to make videos for YouTube or another platform, you want to make sure that the music you're using is copyright free. If you do use copyrighted music in a video, you could get that video copyright claimed or striked, and it could affect your channel's monetization. So you just really want to make sure that you're using non-copyrighted music. If you're serious about content creation and have a little bit of money to spend, the place that I get my music from and that I recommend is Epidemic Sound. They have over 50,000 really good non-copyright songs and over 200,000 sound effects that you can use in your videos. If I had to guess, it's probably the most popular site that big YouTubers get their music from. If you want to check it out, I'll leave my link to it down in the description. That'll give you a free trial. Alright, so here we are in DaVinci Resolve. As you can see, I already got my video imported. So to import something, whether it's a video or music, you first want to select this third tab here at the bottom. And then in the top corner, you want to click on File, hover over Import, and then select Media. Once you click on that, it's going to open up your computer's file explorer, and here you just want to go and locate your song. So for me, it's going to be in my music folder, and here's the song right here. So I'll click on it and then click on Open. When you import your song, you're going to see it here in the media pool along with your video, and what you want to do is select your music and then drag it here onto the timeline. So the music that you import is probably going to be pretty loud, and if you want to use that as background music, you'll want to turn the volume down a bit. So to turn the volume down on your song, what you'll want to do is hover your mouse over the middle of the sound wave here until you see your cursor turn into these two arrows, and then you want to go ahead and drag down. If you want to change the length of your song so only a portion of it is playing in your video, all you need to do is drag on the sides of the song until you got the portion you want. Then you can go ahead and click on it and drag it to fit your video. If you want to have it so that your music slowly fades in and out, what you want to do is in the top corner of your song, go ahead and hover your cursor over it until it turns into these two arrows, and then go ahead and drag over, and then you can do the same thing on the other side. So that's pretty much it. Once you're done editing and ready to export your video, just come down and click on this rocket ship icon. If this video ended up helping you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.